Alright, power chord derived on E alternate, but you're not going to use the whole chord. You're just going to use the lower 3 strings, and these 2 fingers stay away from the neck. Get it? So these 3 strings. Just slide the unit up, put your bar down. 3 strings. Slide the unit up. Slide the unit up. Start again. 2nd fret would be E. Bar on the 3rd fret. It'll give you a G power chord, A power chord, B power chord. And then, you know, rock it up. And then you could turn it around and go backwards. How about this? B, A, lower 3 strings, lower 3 strings, lower 3 strings, lower 3 strings. Now don't let that stop you, because you could do these chords wherever you could reach.